Welcome to Pente Spotlight. Android opens up. More app stores, more competition. I'm Emily, the data privacy and security person who always asks, great, but who is watching the gate when things get more open?
And I'm Lucas, the tech enthusiast who hears more competition and thinks, finally, the app world just got interesting.
Today's story is about Google making big changes to Android that could allow more competition between app stores and payment systems. These changes come after a long legal fight between Google and Epic Games, the company behind Fortnite.
Yep, the idea is simple. Android devices could allow easier installation of alternative app stores, not just Google Play. That means developers might have more ways to distribute apps, and users could have more choices.
Choice sounds great. But when platforms become more open, security risks can increase too. More stores mean more places where unsafe apps might appear if proper checks are not in place.
True, but competition can also be healthy. Developers have long complained about high app store fees and strict rules. This shift could reduce those barriers and encourage innovation.
And let's not forget the bigger story here. The lawsuit. Epic argued that Google had too much control over how apps were distributed on Android, and courts ruled that Google's practices violated antitrust laws.
Which basically means the tech world just watched a giant argument about app stores that lasted years.
Years is right. Some people follow sports tournaments, others follow tech lawsuits.
Exactly. And honestly, this one had plot twists. Fortnite removed, lawsuits filed, billions of downloads involved. It almost sounds like a tech drama series.
Except this drama affects millions of smartphone users. If Android becomes more open, it could change how apps are distributed and how developers earn money.
And for developers, that's exciting. More stores mean more opportunities, better revenue models, and fewer restrictions.
As long as safety standards remain strong, app ecosystems must protect users from malware, scams, and data misuse.
Fair point. Think of it like opening more doors in a building. It's great for freedom, but you still need security guards.
That's actually a very accurate analogy.
My takeaway, more competition can push platforms to improve, which ultimately benefits both developers and users.
And my takeaway is that openness must be balanced with strong security and oversight. Technology should empower people, not expose them to new risks. Yeah, that's all for our day on Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Thanks for listening, and keep exploring the technology shaping our digital future. See you next time.